Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your Gmail account from your Gmail app on your Android phone. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Gmail app, and then when you press on your profile icon, you will be able to see all your Gmail accounts, right? So right now I can see 3 accounts which are added to my Gmail on my Android device. Now, if you want to remove one of these Gmail accounts, what you can do here is you need to press on this last option which says manage accounts on this device. So I'm going to just press on manage accounts on this device option here. And once you do that, you will be able to see this Google option at the top. So from here, you can directly see you can add an additional Gmail account. But if you want to remove a Gmail account from the Gmail app, you can just press on the Google option here. And here you will be able to see once again all of your Gmail accounts which are added to your Gmail app. Now let's say I want to just remove the last Gmail account which is listed here. So I will press on this Gmail account, and here you have all these options. So if you want to permanently remove the Gmail account from your Android device, then you can just press on the remove icon here, which will remove your Gmail or Google account from your Android device. So it's not only going to remove your Gmail account from your Gmail app, it's going to remove your Gmail account from your Android device. So let me press on this remove button, and then it says removing this account will delete all of its messages and contacts and other data from the phone. So I'm going to just press on remove here, and now once you do that, you can see my third account has been removed and I can only see 2 accounts here. When I go back here and when I just once again open my Gmail account, and when I press on the profile picture on my Gmail app, now I can only see 2 accounts. Now if you want to add once again your account, you can press on add another account once again, and then choose Google from here, and then just give your Android password. So I'm going to provide my email ID which I want to add here, press next, and then provide my password. And now your Gmail account is added once again to your Gmail app. So this is how you can add or remove Gmail account from your Gmail app or the Android device in general. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.